Welcome to Adaptivids. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and often misunderstood world of hacking. What exactly is hacking? From ethical hackers who protect our digital lives to cyber criminals who pose significant threats, hacking encompasses a broad spectrum of activities and intentions. Join us as we explore the fundamentals of hacking, its various forms, and the impact it has on our interconnected world. Hacking is a multifaceted practice within computer science and cybersecurity that involves exploring, manipulating, and exploiting computer systems, networks, and technologies. It encompasses various activities, methodologies, and motivations, often conducted by individuals or groups with varying degrees of expertise and intent. At its core, hacking involves the unauthorized access to and manipulation of digital systems. This can include penetrating the defenses of computers, networks, and software applications by exploiting vulnerabilities, which may exist in software bugs, misconfigurations, or human error. Hacking techniques can range from automated tools to manually crafted exploits, and may involve various stages such as surveillance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, and covering tracks. Hacking can serve various purposes, driven by individual or group motivations. These motivations may include, number 1, financial gain. Some hackers engage in hacking activities to profit financially. This can involve stealing sensitive information, such as credit card numbers or banking credentials for identity theft, fraud, or extortion. Number 2, espionage and intelligence gathering. Nation-states, intelligence agencies, and cyber espionage groups may conduct hacking operations to gather intelligence, monitor communications, or sabotage the systems of adversaries for political, military, or economic gain. Number 3, activism and hacktivism. Hackers may engage in hacking as a form of activism to promote social or political causes. This can involve defacing websites, leaking sensitive information, or disrupting online services to raise awareness or protest against perceived injustices. Number 4, exploration and knowledge acquisition. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, engage in hacking activities to uncover vulnerabilities and improve security. This may involve penetration testing, vulnerability research, and responsible disclosure of security flaws to affected parties. Number 5, personal challenge and notoriety. Some hackers are motivated by the challenge of breaking into secure systems, or by the desire for recognition and notoriety within the hacking community. These individuals may use hacking for the thrill of the challenge or to build their reputation among peers. It's important to note that while hacking is often associated with malicious intent and illegal activities, not all hacking is inherently malicious. Ethical hacking, for example, involves the authorized testing of systems for security vulnerabilities to improve cybersecurity defenses and protect against malicious attacks. And that wraps up our exploration into the world of hacking. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of what hacking is and the diverse range of hackers out there. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Adaptivids for more insights into cybersecurity and technology. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay vigilant and safe in the digital landscape.